In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import or add AliExpress products to your Shopify store. Now, this is very easy and quick. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to open your Shopify store, okay? And then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on apps and sales channels. And then in the top, you can see here, guys, Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store so that we can download an app that will help us import products from AliExpress to our Shopify. Okay, now the app name is Deezers. Okay, it's called Deezers. This is the name of the app. Okay, click enter, and this is the app that we want to download so that we can import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Click on it, click on add app. Next thing, guys, you need to do is you want to click on install app in the top right. Now you have to create an account on Deezers. Very simple and quick, it's not complicated. So for me, it says here not your Shopify email address has been used to create Deezers account, but for you this will not pop up. You will only see two different options. The first one is create an account for you, and the second one is register yourself. Or you can see here you want to create an account using this exact email, and you will see here the email here. Just click yes, or you can choose, it's the same thing, you just have to create an account. I'm going to click on login, but for you, like, I would suggest clicking on create an account for you or register yourself. It's the same. Like I said, I'm going to click on login, and I am going to click on login again. Like I said, you just want to create an account. It's not something that is complicated. Now, what you need to do, guys, first is you want to click on, okay. Now, what you need to do, guys, you want to click on home in the top left, home. And then you will see here you will see here something called Chrome extension. You just want to click on Chrome extension and download this extension. Okay, click on add to Chrome, and then click again add extension. And next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on this extension icon, and then click on pin so that we can pin the extension here. Okay, now after you see here the extension, click on it and click on Deezers. Okay, it says here please log in into Deezers. Click on Deezers, and it will take you again to the website. Just log in. Okay, so that, just log into your account. All right, now we have successfully done every single thing. Now here is exactly how you can import products from AliExpress to Shopify. Okay, now open AliExpress. Okay, now you don't need to use the app anymore. Just open AliExpress and find any product that you want to import to your Shopify store. For example, I want to import this product. Okay, now under the product you will see your Deezers. That's why we downloaded this extension. Okay, now scroll down a little bit and click on add to Deezers. As you can see, guys, it says here AliExpress product import success. Now you just want to go to your Deezers and click on import list in the left, and here you will find the products. Okay, this is the product that we have imported to Deezers from AliExpress. Now first, before you push this product to your Shopify, you can edit anything you want. For example, it's your choice. Of course, you can edit this on your Shopify, but I always like to edit the products here before I push it to my Shopify. Now, if you are shipping to United States alone, make sure you select you click on shipping info here, and then select here United States so that you can see how much the shipping, as you can see, the shipping is free. And of course, we are not going to use this shipping company because the shipping time is going to be forever. Now you want to select for example another shipping, for example a packet. I don't know if AliExpress still offers a packet. Now after that, you just want to click on save, and then you want to click on this orange Shopify button. Click on push to Shopify, and then click on also publish to online store. Okay, make sure you select that, and then click on push to Shopify. And that's all you need to do, guys, to to push the products from AliExpress to Shopify. You can do this as many times as you want. Like, you can push a lot of products from AliExpress to Shopify. If you need any help, please let me know in the comments. I would highly appreciate if you can leave a like for me. See you guys in the next video. Now you go to your Shopify, click on products, and you will see the product that you have imported. Okay, have a good day.